There is a secret hidden in the Rocky Mountains and ancient valleys of Afghanistan, which modern science has forgotten. The people there have the same energy at the age of 80 as a vigorous 20-year-old. They do not take any chemical pills. They do not go to the gym. They do not count calories. They only use something that comes directly from the bosom of the earth, a clay which Avicenna described in his books as the essence of male power. You may think of it as just an earthworm, but according to the ancient sages, it is a vain remedy. The preparation of this recipe is not ordinary. It is an alchemy. First, these earthworms are extracted from the depths of the earth. They are washed with clean water and dried in the hot sun. When they are completely dry, the process called the process of the secret fire begins. A clay pot is taken. These dried worms are put in it, and its mouth is coated with clay in such a way that not even a particle of air can enter. Of cow dung is boiled in the oven. This slow fire creates a wonderful transformation inside these worms all night. When the pot is opened in the morning, the worms are gone, but thin, long, and golden threads come out from inside them. These are the veins that have the power to eradicate male weakness from the root. These threads are placed on a special stone. Fresh onion juice is added to it. When the onion juice and these earthen threads mix together, a mixture is formed that revives the circulation of blood in the dead veins of the body. Small tablets of it are made, a pill in the morning and evening, and male weakness disappears as if it had never been there. Ibn Battuta wrote in his travels that the secret of the power of the men of the East is hidden not in their table, but in their ancient wisdom. Today's pharmaceutical companies will never tell you this. They want you to be dependent on their synthetic pills for the rest of your life, because this recipe of Ibn Sina is so cheap and so powerful that if it became common, the multi-million-dollar industry would sink.